Africa Content TV.
Tell them, say, you make my head scatter. See, I used to let myself that out with the video player. Since I set my eyes on you, mama, you done make me fall in love. So listen. Fall in love. Fall in love. It's so funny, come to make me fall in love. Fall in love. Fall in love. White lion, so listen, so listen. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up. All right. DJ, hold it. Like I said, there's so many superstars in the house. We can't possibly call everybody though. One of my brothers is here. He sang a major song that's been a global anthem for a long while. Mr. Romantic, we call him. Mr. Romantic himself. Here especially, just doing a special song for the couple. You guys don't want to just sit down, relax, enjoy it. We call him Mr. Godwin because of his hit song, Godwin. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Godwin.
Moreland got joined by the groom Juma on the dance floor with his mother-in-law. Mother-in-law.
Chapman. All right, DJ, hold it. You know, this kind of music does not really move Yabo if you know Yabo very well. You see, Yabo want to scatter the floor. Let's go. So, Sharp Band All Stars are ready. Shago Johnson, stand by. All right, Chapman, let's go.
One time, Chapman All Stars, ladies and gentlemen. One. There you go. With the Chapman All Stars, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for this one? Let's go.